You want to go fly this plane?
Yeah. He's excited. Oh, but this is perfect flying conditions. This plane is also made out of pure balsa. There's actually enough stuff for 2 planes per package. Twice the fun, twice the excitement of flying. Easy as that. Slide, slide, slide. And take your tail. Easy as that. Slip it in. Got your little tail. Boom. Easy as that. Look at that. Just slide it on. A hook down here. Hook that. Air traffic control has said we're cleared for takeoff.